Well, we don't have to suffer. We suffer, there's a choice. Pain is unavoidable. So, but sufferance is an option. And now, if I hurt my leg, the leg hurts, and it is how it is. It hurts. But if I will suffer with this, oh my God, how I suffer with my leg. This is not. This is an option, and you can really, really get into a state of mind through meditation that you start to detach yourself from the sufferance. You watch, and you're not mixed with these emotions. You see the emotions, the good and the bad ones, because then you can play. You can really play in life, playfulness. Like you can play to be in love. You can play to whatever feeling you have. You can play to be in pain. But you just play, because the observer is just watching this happens. It's not involved in the emotions, in this turmoil of emotions that comes with sufferance. You get detached, and and this is peace. Not play in the sense that a game playing. No, play in the sense of playfulness. Joy, no complications. I used to say, don't worry about the answers, worry about erasing the questions. So the questions will be disappearing. That's the best. Not finding the answers. Much more important than this is that these questions going disappearing. So you don't have to look for an answer. If there are no questions, no need for answers.